Hi there. Today I'm gonna show you how to lube your chain. So there's many product available online like a chain luber, chain cleaner and chain lube. But I'm gonna show you the cheapest way to maintain your chain. So to lube your chain, first of all you need to clean up your chain and then lube it. So you can see my chain is totally dry actually. So first of all I'm going to clean this up with diesel. Which is the cheapest way to clean the chain or anything because diesel itself very good cleaner. So I'm going to use the diesel to clean my chain, and after that I'll lube the chain with a chain luber, which is a Royal Enfield product. You can see here. This is uh, this is a very good actually. And before that I used Motul chain luber, but after using Royal Enfield chain luber I forgot the Motul actually, because it's a very good product but also they have a chain cleaner as well, but I'm not going to use the chain cleaner for clean my chain. Use a toothbrush. You can use a toothbrush to clean up your chain. Actually, most of the local mechanics do the same. Clean the both side of this chain. It's really hard to maintain naked motorcycles chain, but you have to do it if you have a naked motorcycle. So now I'm going to clean this up. So as I told you guys, diesel is a very good cleaner, and as you can see my chain here, it's look like a new one. So now let's apply the chain lube on it. Let's start your bike. Put on the first gear and then apply the chain lube on it. That's it. Please subscribe my channel if you like the video. Thank you guys.